Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send BNB from Revolut to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between platforms, especially with all the updates coming. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency for trading and staking, and transferring it securely can open up new opportunities on Uphold. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through this step by step, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut and Uphold apps installed on your device and that you're logged into your accounts. Start by opening the Revolut app and navigating to your crypto section. Locate your BNB balance, that's where the magic begins. Now, head over to the Uphold app or website. You'll need to find your BNB wallet address, it's usually under the Wallets tab. Double-check that you're copying the correct address to avoid any mix-ups, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Once you have the Uphold address ready, go back to Revolut. Select the amount of BNB you want to send. Remember to leave a little buffer for any network fees. Hit the Send button, paste in the Uphold address, and review the details carefully. This is crucial, so take a moment to ensure everything looks right. After confirming, you'll see a transaction summary. Go ahead and approve it. Depending on network congestion in 2025, this might take a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. Also, watch out for any gas fees associated with BNB transfers on the Binance Smart Chain. They can vary. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for updates. And there you have it. You've successfully sent BNB from Revolut to Uphold. This process is straightforward once you know the steps, and it puts you in control of your crypto journey. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.